In today's video, I am going to teach you how to optimize Wix SEO with ChatGPT. Start by making sure you are already logged in to both Wix and ChatGPT. In Wix, open your dashboard and choose the website you want to optimize. Then open the site dashboard and review the pages you want to improve so you know which titles and descriptions need work. Next, go to ChatGPT and paste in your current page titles and meta descriptions. Then use a prompt that asks ChatGPT to rewrite them so they are more click-worthy and more relevant for your target keyword, which in this example is emergency plumber. Make sure your prompt also tells ChatGPT to create improved SEO titles and meta descriptions. Keep the titles under 60 characters. Keep the meta descriptions under 155 characters, and return everything in a format that is ready to paste into Wix. Once ChatGPT generates the updated SEO content, copy the new titles and descriptions. Then go back to Wix and open Website and SEO. From there, open SEO settings and select the first page you want to optimize. Open the SEO Basics section for that page and replace the existing SEO title with the version generated by ChatGPT. Then replace the current meta description with the new one as well. Save your changes and repeat the same process for the rest of the pages you want to optimize. After that, return to the editor and open the first page on your website. Review the heading structure on that page and update the headings if needed based on the recommendations from ChatGPT. Then review the images on the page and update the image alt text wherever needed. Save the page once those edits are complete and continue this process on your other important pages. When your updates are finished, click Preview so you can review the optimized pages. Check that the updated titles, descriptions, headings, and images appear correctly and that everything looks clean and consistent. Then return to the editor and click Publish in the top right corner to make your changes live. Finally, open the live website and review the optimized pages one more time to confirm everything was published correctly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.